Hope you find your way.
Secretly, I hope she doesn't. I want the Raggedy Ann looking bitch to get her. Because that bitch scares the shit out of me. She came after me when I went to the store the other day. I had to go all the way to Star Market. I had to walk there in my socks because somebody stole my shoes when I was at the White House. I was eating dinner with George Bush. There's something behind that door, and it's a wall. And there's lots of black cowardice. It's making me scared just watching this. Oh, what was that? That was scary. Does that look like olive oil? It reminded me of the time I made brownies with olive oil. And I put little mushrooms on top of the brownies. It was really good. It sounds like somebody's on a chalkboard in my school days. It's so dark in here. Oh, wow, that's really bright. Behind door number 1, it's nothing. It's really dark in here. I have a feeling something bad is in here waiting. Did you see the guy in the corner playing with his balls? He was jerking his balls off. Oh, Jack, run, what is that? Why is that music like that? It's gonna get you. Oh, no. Everywhere you go, you scare something, though. I need my medication. I wouldn't do that if I were you. It's gonna get you. Look at your map, where's the doorway? She's too fast, you better turn around now. Oh, it's gonna get you. Sean Pinno, like the time I had 6 donuts and I had no milk to drink them with. I had to drink air. This thing is giving Sean Pinno, don't go out there, there's something bad. This game is freaking me out. Oh my. And when I met JFK on my 40th birthday, in 1993 when I turned 40, and I was born in 95. Everybody loves Sean Pinno. They're all nice to me. They even gave me a white jacket that I put on backwards to keep me warm. They put me in the round room and told me to find the corner. I couldn't understand that one. Something's coming. It sounds like a bad thing, like a boogeyman. The boogeyman came in my house one day. He stayed under my bed. He grabbed my ankles and pulled my socks off. I didn't like that. I had to go get new socks down the street. What are you doing in here? Why did you go to this place? It's a bad place. It looks like where my teacher put me when I was bad. My Uncle Tony put me down here and told me not to say anything to Mommy and Daddy when I was a little Pinno. I didn't understand. I don't know why they chained me up and gave me bread and water. And you should have picked me up and kept me from being hurt like that. You're just as bad as Sean Pinno to me. Sean Pinno. Oh, that sound. That sound is making me extra anxious. There's something along there. My cranium throbbing. What is that? I see a light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, it's nothing. It's just the beginning of the game. You got screwed, Sean Pinno. Something behind that door. It's not pretty. There's something. There's one of those things in there. Those thin people. What is all that noise? Is that his boots? I didn't know he had such heavy feet like that. Even Sean Pinno faster than that. Where are you? Why did you go here? It reminds me of the time I went to Burger King and I got my burgers. And I went to Pizza Hut and I got my French fries. I went to Chuck E. Cheese and I went to play on the slide when I was all alone. They kicked me out. They said I was too big to fit in the kiddie slide, but I was only 12. This is a very long game. Wow. It's like being here. I heard naughty things. Oh, get the lady. I think she wants to give you something. Go back and get it from her. I think she wants to give you a hug of money. The lady's over there to the left. No, she's behind you somewhere. She's going to meet you somewhere. She's going to help you. She looks like Raggedy Ann. And mixed with olive oil. There's oil everywhere. It looks like honey in the jar, like when the pool used to carry around and eat when he got hungry. There's a door. They can unlock the door and hopefully something behind it that's good. But no, it's just more dark things. I hear something in there. It looked like a balloon at the end of the tunnel that he told me I'd get to have if I jumped off the bridge. Why is I breathing heavy? There's something bad going to happen. I hear it. Why is he breathing so heavy? He sounds like a bad person when he breathes like that. That's what the priest told me. He sounded like that when he was standing over me. He said he liked my curly Pinno hair. And he started breathing heavy. He kinda scared me. I pushed him away. Don't come near me. Did that. Dolly Shadow Brick Road. You remind me of Dorothy in the Wizard of Oz. Minus the masturbating sounds this guy continuously makes. It's kinda scary. I wonder if this guy's name is David. Wow. This is a very scary place to be. Sean Pinno like this game. I think that lady's gonna give you something. Music is scary. Because it's really dark in there. You can't see everybody. I see him. He looked like He looked like a frog. Oh, this is bad. Sean Pinno got a bad feeling about this. And the black tape that I put on my Velcro to keep my sneakers from falling apart. I got tired and worn out, so I had to go and I had to get the hot sauce and I put it on my hot dog, and it was so good. And when I took the train back all the way back to Wisconsin, it was just so awesome. What was that? There's something behind this door. I see something in there. It looked bad. See something looking at you. Shut the door. That thing come after you. They don't come after Sean Pinno. I don't think there's a way out of this place. Wow. This is a very bad place to be. And the breadcrumbs that I rolled together to make my pizza dough, I sprinkled it on my peanut butter and jelly. I ate it with water and it made me feel so good. I felt like Popeye. My muscles were so big. It was awesome. That bitch is everywhere. Uh-oh. I wouldn't go that way. They're in deep, dude. I smell caca. I smell caca. Did you caca? Somebody cacked around here. Oh, there, Bobby. Bobby, did you caca? Bobby caca. He cacked again. I don't know why he liked doing that. And make sure you wipe yourself, Bobby. I got baby wipes in the corner. Well, Sean Pinno really liked this game, but it's really scary. I don't think you're ever gonna find your way out of here, little girl. Sean Pinno will save you from the boogeyman. I'm fast. I was born in 1990, my birthday. I'm 55 now. But I'm still fast and I'm very strong. I lost weight. I'm trimming down from 374. I'm about 141 right now. I still got some weight to lose, but I'm getting there. This place is very spooky, scary, very scary. Sean Pinno, I need my medication. I feel like I got acid reflux. It's so bad. Something bad's going to happen, Sean. Oh, you're in trouble. He's gonna get you. Game over.